Picture yourself in the 2022 Toyota Camry. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.